At Guardian Roofing, we pride ourselves in being a full-service roofing contractor. What that means is not only will we replace your roof, we'll perform repairs, cleanings, and we'll perform routine maintenance. It's important to know that all the manufacturers of asphalt shingles require that the roof be maintained. What does that mean? It needs to be clear of debris. We need to make sure there's no moss growing. We need to check the sealants, the flashing, and all the major components. At Guardian, we have something called the Guardian Protection Plan. What that does is take care of your routine maintenance for you. Every year we'll come out. Some people need it more depending on how much debris they get on their roof. We will get the debris off of your roof, out of your gutters. We'll do a full inspection of the roof, its components, flashings and sealants, and we'll clean your skylights. So with the Guardian Protection Plan, you have a chance to take care of all your routine maintenance and keep your warranty intact, and of course it keeps your roof looking nice. So give our office a call today and ask about the Guardian Protection Plan.